Welcome to Universal Studios Hollywood. I'm here with one of my friends from Maryland, believe it or not. She has never been to Universal Studios Hollywood, never been to Super Nintendo World, so we're going to show all of that for the first time. We got early entry tickets to Super Nintendo World, so let's head into the park. So we just got Gabriella's band. She got Toad. I was in the park a couple days ago and I saw the limited edition band from Super Nintendo World Japan. Here's a photo of that.
So we're about to head down the Starway to go to Nintendo, but I'm really excited to go see Harry Potter and go to Hogwarts. I'm a huge Harry Potter fan.
They took our early admission right at the top of the Starway, and now we're walking down the Starway and hopefully we're just gonna head right into the land because it's already open. So Gabriella is entering the land for the first time. I love watching people's faces as they see things for the first time. It's just like, oh my God, what to do? So the first thing we're gonna do is heading to Goomba Crazy Crank and get some keys. So we just did all 3 key challenges. Now we're gonna head over to the Bowser Jr. challenge.
Jump, it like pushed you up higher, like you really felt like you were in the video game.
So after doing Bowser Jr., there's only one thing left in this land for us to do. Are you ready to play Mario Kart?
I think I am. I'm so excited. We just did a Mario Kart ride 3 times. Last time I rode it without the glasses. I think that the effects are super cool. My favorite part is definitely Rainbow Road. You really feel like you are on Rainbow Road. Now I'm really looking forward to eating lunch at Toadstool Cafe.
Right here we have a big Peach fan, so let's head inside Peach's castle into the side section. Leaving Super Nintendo World through the Warp Pipe, I think we have to go do Transformers The Ride 3D, yeah?
Okay.
But first, a Transformer's about to come out. Let's see who it is.
So, we just did Transformers, Revenge of the Mummy, and Jurassic World, and we're now on our way to the upper lot. I think it's really cool to go on a ride that's like basically I consider like quintessential universe, like Revenge of the Mummy, and then also do like an updated ride like Jurassic World back to back because you see all the difference in the effects that they're using. Oh, and Transformers was really cool. The 3D effects were awesome. You really truly felt in the movie. I always, anytime they use 3D, I always like feel like they're coming at me in the heat when they come at you too. Oh, it's great. I love it.
And now we're about to go to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter.
You're so excited. So I've been a big Harry Potter fan for a very long time. There's Hogwarts. That's cool. And there's the bridge. It looks so like life-sized. So we're gonna go ahead into Hogwarts and ride the Forbidden Journey ride. I'm so excited. So we just got out of Forbidden Journey. We rode it twice. It was even better than I remembered it. And there's a lot of Dementors on there. It looks like we're gonna walk down in Hogsmeade.
Last time you saw us, we were in the Wizarding World about to get Butterbeer. We're gonna push that back to later this afternoon before we get on the studio tour. But we did get to meet Donkey. Here's a fun part of that meet and greet right here.
So you get in line. When you get to the front of the line, you say, "Donkey sent me." They put you right on the boat.
And now we are on our way to the lower lot to go check out Toadstool Cafe. So we're gonna see you after that.
It was so good. I had the Luigi burger and we tried this cupcake, which has a surprise raspberry filling, which is delicious. And also the tiramisu. Then we got back on and rode Mario Kart again. It was awesome. Jay took me somewhere I have no idea where we are, but I do see places that I can find out.
I tried the Bowser Fireball Challenge, which tasted absolutely incredible. And it was very spicy, just know that. Anyway, now we're going to leave Super Nintendo World and go to the upper lot to go do something. So let's teleport there now. And we're back here in the upper lot, about to go on the studio tour. I'm going to teach Gabriella over here the meaning of Tramtastic Day. So here's a quick montage of fun moments from the studio tours. montage of fun clips from our tours that we stopped our tour about 5 minutes into the tour. There was a smell of burnt rubber. They stopped us right outside Super Nintendo World around the backside, and then they stopped us again behind New York Street. And again, the efficiency of Universal, I don't know if you've seen the video where my studio tours crashed, but they are insane. As soon as we stopped, there were 5 vehicles there. A minute later, they were there with a brand new tram. They got us off of our tram onto the new tram, and we actually saw the old tram be whisked away to get fixed. It was almost like it didn't even happen, and I barely even remember it now at the end of our tour. But we are at the end of our tour. Let's head over to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. But like last time, I'm going to pass it over to the biggest Wizarding World fan, Gabriella.
Studio tour was really cool. My favorite parts were seeing Davey's house from Never Have I Ever and The Good Place. Where else are we going to see all of that? That's why you come out to LA. That's why you come out to Hollywood. We're finally, hopefully, going to go ride Flight of the Hippogriff. And that's Hagrid's hut. Just asked me what I wanted to do next, so we're going to Ollivanders. So we just finished with Ollivanders. I got to watch a little witch get her wand, and it was so, honestly, I teared up a little bit because I remember when I went with my dad and I got to get the wand choose me, and that's very special. And now we're gonna wait. There's a show that looks like it's about to start, but I actually don't know which show it is, so I'm excited. Turned out to be the Triwizard tournament, which I actually really enjoyed. But Jake, can we please finally go get some butterbeer? Yay! Jake took me to his favorite spot to have some butterbeer. This is my favorite way to have butterbeer, frozen.
So I'm now heading into WaterWorld, and I think we're just going to end the video here for the night. There's a lot more that we have planned to do, but I want to make sure that we can enjoy the night, just the two of us, and have a fun time in Super Nintendo World and all the fun nighttime activities. So thank you so much for watching this one. I will see you guys in the next one.